Hey guys, what's crackin'? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie if you don't know me, and this is what I look like, and I just got a haircut, so that's really exciting, but that's not what I'm talking about today. So as many of you know, and where many of you came from, I made a room redo video a while back, and for some reason it blew up, and I realized that my closet is just as bad as my room was. So I'm gonna make a two-part series of cleaning out my closet, and the first part is gonna be my built-in dresser. So the very first thing I did was empty out this top area and cleaned it with antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. Obviously it's all-purpose, so it can go on wood, which is what this is made out of. And then I just did the middle shelf and I did the top shelf, but I didn't film it. Then I organized the bins and put them back where they were, and that's the top two shelves. But for the bottom shelf, I needed some inspiration. So I went on, you guessed it, Pinterest. You can follow me there at madelinecurless. Anyways, I just went to my board called Room and I just looked for inspiration, and I kind of wanted to go with a movie theme. So I went to my board Film Stills and I just looked for pictures that kind of captured the essence of what I wanted it to look like. And when I did find a good picture, I would just double click or right click and hit copy image. And then I went to Google Slides, started a new doc, and made sure that the dimensions were 8.5 by 11. And I just pasted the photos and adjusted them to how big I wanted them. Then I printed the photos and started cutting, and I swear cutting these photos took like 10 hours because I wanted to get them precise, and I'm a perfectionist, so that does not help. And yeah. Then it was time to get started, so I grabbed some masking tape and my photos and just started putting them up how I wanted them. But then I realized that I wanted this newspaper in the background, so as quick as the photos went up, they came back down. And I have this super cool, I can't remember if it's Chinese or Japanese newspaper, but came with an order that we got off of Amazon, I think, so I just thought it was really cool, so I kept it. And I'm just using tape to adhere them together. And then I decided that I wanted a quote in the middle to kind of tie it all together, so I just looked up famous quotes from directors, and this quote came up that I really liked. It says, "Your life experience is a movie," and I just wrote that out on ripped pieces of paper, and this quote is by T.F. Hodge. Then while I was working, my sister came in and told me to tell you all to follow her on TikTok at @McKennaCurl. Then I hung up the quote and the pictures, and I used masking tape again to hang up the pictures, and I just kind of adjusted them around the quote to make them look pretty, I guess you could say. And I made sure that the quote was not covered up by any pictures or anything. And then I just used masking tape again to put the pictures on all sides of the box thing. Yeah, box thing, that's what we're going with. Once that was done, I put back my jewelry / earring hanger, and I have two of them because I have quite a lot of earrings, and if you want to see how I make my earrings, you can check this video out. But yeah, then I just put some sunglasses in the earring holder and just some other miscellaneous earrings, necklaces, etc. And then I put the mirror up. That was my great-grandma's, actually, fun fact. And then I put this slap bracelet in, and I thought I'd show you guys because I love my slap bracelet watch. Then I wanted to do something kind of fun, so I have this LED light that I got on Amazon, and I just have this red duct tape because that was the only thing that was left, and obviously masking tape won't hold that up. So I just used that to adhere it to the ceiling of the box, and it actually looks pretty cool. And that is it. That is all we have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, leave a like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.